Yeah.
He's a genius.
He is a genius.
I knew I would have done it too.
They're, they're saying it was the greatest cash out in history that he did.
Dang,
Yeah.
somebody like this, everyone's breaking history now.
Yeah.
It's crazy. The greatest. Is he trending? The greatest sports better alive.
Yeah.
The greatest cash out in history.
So they had a camera on him watching the France and Argentina game to see if what his
Who's
reaction.
recording him?
There's this guy,
Recording people?
the guy from BR Betting, whoever owns that. So yeah, when Argentina was winning, he was like, he did this,
How about when they tied?
and then he was like, greatest cash out or something like that.
No, I'm saying like how about when they were tied?
I'll send you the.
Was he like freaking out? Like, oh, I lost 200,000.
I'll send you the link to his page. I can't remember of it.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
It's great when like you accidentally look like a genius.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, I knew what I was thinking the whole time. That's crazy. That's like a year-long bet.
Yeah, like I would have just forgotten about it and like
Oh, dude. You're probably sleeping great tonight.
Mm-hmm.
300,000. That just sucks. Dude, I would just retire. I would just like stop working for a year.
No, I was gonna ask you that question. Suppose if you win like say 200K, would you stop your job and just?
I mean, just for a year.
Well, it depends.
200K will
Does
just last me a year.
200K net or before tax?
Oh, good question.
No, because it'd be 280,000. So like it'd be 200,000. I think after taxes.
I mean, I would still be working.
I would just take off for a year. I mean, I wouldn't take off. I wouldn't retire. I would just like take a 1 year.
200 isn't that much.
That's what I'm saying. Like, 200,000 would last me a year.
Dude, honestly, can I tell you, it is a lot, cause
No, but I'd be doing crazy stuff. I'd be going like a visa and stuff. So I mean, I think it would just last me a year.
yeah,
And then like I just go back to work after a year. Like that's not enough money to like just retire and work ever again. Yeah. That's like a 1 year vacation. But like a 1 year.
But then you'll lose your job.
I mean, I'll still my skills.
I guess.
Maybe take like some odd jobs, like maybe put like a contracting job. I'll play it. I wouldn't. But for the most part, I wouldn't be like 40 hours, 8 hours, like 40-hour weeks.
no, not gonna lie, I would take that 200K and like start a business, like a legit
Yeah.
business, like
I
and
was thinking about that, but I was like, nah, I just want to just chill.
no, but afterwards, like if I have some left over, I can even start a business with like 50K.
If I had left over. I think businesses are so toxic.
Track, yeah.
The skill set is I know, right? Why come up with your own idea? Just do it. Sheldon actually gave me his blueprint because he wanted me to do it myself. He's like, it's so easy to do it. And I was just like, yeah, I don't think.
Oh, did he say that Amazon thing?
Yeah. He said that's how you start. He literally broke. He spent like 2 hours just breaking around. He's like, you can do this, just do it. And I was like, yeah, I'll do it.
You like I'm starting a house classes.
Yeah. He told me, he was like, he literally said, do something that's not fun. He said, if it's